In the tumultuous era of the 1950s and 60s, America was a land divided, scarred by the deep wounds of racial injustice. Amidst this chaos, a charismatic figure emerged, a man born Malcolm Little, who would later take on the name Malcolm X. Born in Nebraska in 1925, Malcolm X was raised in a loving family, until a series of tragedies tore them apart. Abandoned by his father and left destitute, Malcolm's life took a dark turn, leading him to a life of crime. In 1946, Malcolm was sentenced to 10 years in prison for burglary. It was during his incarceration that he encountered the Nation of Islam, a black separatist movement. Under the tutelage of Elijah Muhammad, Malcolm X found a new purpose. Upon his release in 1952, Malcolm X became a minister in the Nation of Islam, using his captivating oratory skills to convert many to the movement's message of black supremacy and self-defense. Malcolm X quickly rose through the ranks, becoming a national spokesman for the Nation of Islam. He was a radical voice, advocating for black empowerment and condemning white America for its systemic racism. However, when Elijah Muhammad was embroiled in scandal, Malcolm X's faith wavered. He began to question the Nation of Islam's teachings and its leader. In 1964, Malcolm X publicly denounced the Nation of Islam and embarked on a journey to Mecca, where he experienced a profound transformation. Upon his return, Malcolm X renounced black separatism and embraced a more inclusive approach to civil rights. He founded the Organization of Afro-American Unity, advocating for peace and unity among all people of African descent. Tragically, Malcolm X was assassinated in 1965, a victim of his own radicalism. But his legacy lived on, inspiring a generation of activists and shaping the course of the civil rights movement. Malcolm X was a complex and controversial figure, a man who was both a fierce advocate for black rights and a divisive figure. He was a man who, through his words and actions, challenged the status quo and forced America to confront its racist past. Today, Malcolm X remains a symbol of resistance and a testament to the power of the human spirit. His life and work continue to inspire us, reminding us that change is only possible when we stand up and fight for what we believe in.